It's a free pro kind of app that helps designers, graphic designers, creators, content creators make quality and top-notch pictures and graphic designs. So we'll make use of Canva, but my subscription has expired, so I will be teaching you another method to also get the best out of Canva. So the first thing I will do is to remove the background of the image I want to use in Canva. So this is it. So I use remove background dot. You can get it down and download from your Play Store app. So you wait for it to load, then you pick in your picture you want to remove the background, you upload. So I'll open my gallery. I already have the image set aside because it's always a walk trying to look for image. So let's make use of this. So it will upload and remove the background for me quickly. Okay, let me just download this. Canva Pro is the best to use if you have the money. Kindly, now it's downloaded, so it's telling me to open. Alright, so I'll open my Canva. As I said, Canva Pro is best to use if you have the money. Try to pay and join the subscription plan. You can keep and save your templates on Canva and your project and lots more. So the first thing we'll be doing as a beginner, I will advise you to always check out for different creation you can make use of on Canva. You can see you have your whiteboard website, and let's click on more to see more things you can do with Canva. But anyways, we want to create a thumbnail, so I'm going to search thumbnail designs. Alright guys, so it's finally up. Now we'll search YouTube thumbnails. So this is to help you get different styles and themes and formats. So if you are new, instead of spending more time on Photoshop, I'm a photographer, and so I can make use of Photoshop to create thumbnails. But if you are new and you're looking for ways to do that, so you can see they have different templates which you can try out. To just tap on edit and you'll be good to go. So but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm teaching you how you can make use of it from scratch. So now what we'll do is to click on the plus sign, look for the size, which is the thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail size. Sorry guys, my network is bad today, I don't know why. You can see it has shrink the size we saw earlier, and it's giving us this blank white board for editing. So we'll click on the plus sign, then I'm going to look for my image by clicking on upload or gallery. You can see remove background of your image in one clip from Canva Teams. Yeah, it's quite possible because I actually used Canva Pro before now, but I don't know what happened. It just stopped working, but I'll get back to it. I'll make sure I look for ways to resolve it. I'll tap upload file. Those are the things I've uploaded before now, so I'm uploading a new one, so I'm clicking on upload file. Or I use my gallery direct. Let's start with gallery, so you can show me my gallery direct. But if you're on browser, if you're making use of Canva on browser, I think that's where you have to click on upload to be able to upload your image. Yeah, so this is the particular image we remove the background. So you add to page, because I'm editing with my phone. Yeah, creating a YouTube channel, using everything about you, doing everything about YouTube just with your phone is what this tutorial is about. So you can see the image is here. Suppose I've not removed the background, I'll come to this FX. Then to tell me remove background, magic erase, and magic edit. This magic edit is to change the color of something. Magic eraser is to clean things you don't want in an object. Then background remover is to remove the background. But since I'm not on the pro version, I can make use of all of that. So now my image is here already. All I have to do is just resize and make it bold. Yeah, so the concept I want to create on, I have to create another page for it. So I will tap and add a new page. So I'll work on this page. So we have 2 pages now. So now I'm going to look for elements. So we are looking for elements. I'll look for, let's say, what element do I want at the background? I want element of office. Yeah, office. Let's type office. Can you see that you can use Canva Pro even without paying for it? Office, office background, office dev, office background. Let me say office background. You can see it's even give me inspiration on what I would need. So it's your go-to app as a content creator that is starting out. Make sure you try it out. So I have varieties. You can see they are all, even the ones that are blur are there, and the ones that are not blur are also there. So you have varieties to choose from. So I think I would be going with, I want this, but it's actually bold. Let's see. If I make use of this, I'm going to make sure it's full, but I want it bold. I just want where the table is showing. Yeah, something like this. Let me see. Click for effects. Come down to effects. Come to blur. And make it blur. Can you see it's now blur? So that's it, guys. So since I have it this way, now what I will do is to move this into that. You can as well just create everything on a page, but for the sake of those that might want to use Canva Pro, then you might just edit and remove your background on one page. Then when you have it, you can now move it to the next page. So I'll tap on this image, then I'll move down to, I'll just scroll to where we have more. Then I'm clicking on copy, so it's copied to clipboard. Now I'll make the image not active, then move to the next page, then tap on that page, then come down to that more and click on paste. You can see it has brought my image back. So now something I love to do is to add like a shadow touch. So I will be coming down to effects, then clicking on shadow. So I'm going to go to glow. Can you see it's already giving me a black glow kind of vibe? So if I want to edit, like probably I want to edit it more, I'll click double tap on it, so it will bring up more tools. So I can change the color of the shadow to the shadow under glow from black to white. So at this edge, oh, I don't want to type anything. Let's say this edge is white already, so I think I'm good to go with this. So I'll tap out. you can see is now in like a whitish. Okay, let me, for the sake of this tutorial, let's make use of red so you can see what I'm saying very well. Can you see the red color is showing? So if I want white, can you see the white color is showing? So okay, let me use yellow. Maybe yellow will give the vibe I want, since my dress or outfit is very low, but it's not giving. Let's make use of black. Yeah, black will give very well since we don't want too much color. But if you want to create like a design, since you're starting out, you want to have your own brand color, you can use, my brand color is purple. You can see I can give it a purple background. So you have to be consistent with whatever thumbnail you are using, so make the design more attractive. But this is another way to create a thumbnail. So we have purple, but purple is not giving because I might actually use this background. So let me give it a color that will give. And so let's make use of black. So I have black. Now I can now make it by like increase the intensity. Can you see the angle is also moving? If you want the distance of the shadow, you just tune it to your preference. Let's say I want the blur kind of, can you see it's moving? If you want the size of it to fool your image, can you see? And then if you want the intensity, I want to try and the intensity is showing under my keys, so if I click on it, it's going to move away. So that's it, guys. I hope you understand that way. So let's go back, then back. So I'm done like this. All I have to do is just zoom. So this background, I want to use it for this tutorial, how to, so I'm going to write. Now come to this plus sign. Now let's use text. I want to write how to best tools to use as best tools to use for content creation. Yeah, let it be that way. Or how to create, let's use it for AI tools. You should try it as creator. Okay, so something I do often also is like I go to YouTube and look for like inspiration. So there's a creator. Can you see this particular creator? The shadow is what she often uses in her background. So let's see, this is consistency in creation of thumbnails. Can you see? And she make use of that shadow at the back of her image. Can you see? So, and she plays pictures and stuff like that to demonstrate what she wants to talk about. So that's how to get thumbnail channel inspiration. But I want to create a thumbnail, this tutorial thumbnail, for something I will be using, so you can see and make reference of the outcome. Can you see this other person? Can you see something of such she did? So those are varieties of ways to use. Can you see also this is what she also make use of, the shadow effect. So let's check her channel more. Although she create different content on her channel, but she has this synthetic way of you identifying a channel, not just by her face but because of the consistency in the thumbnails she use oftentimes. Can you see? Yeah, so AI tools, can you see the consistency in a kind of network, and she blurs the background of whatever she's posting on. So let's use this thing. What I love Canva is that where you stop is where it will still be at. Like that is where you continue from. It won't make any changes to your design. It won't start from the beginning again. Just where you stop is where you will see it resume on. So we were using page 2 for our creation. So can you see, adding add a heading. That's where I stopped because I want to write text. Can you see? So we tap on it. So we edit AI to AI must have to, your thumbnail title should always be short, like it should be 3 4, not more than, something bold. I can, let's just write AI tools. So your title will now be having the details of what the thumbnail is talking about. So this is it. Now I want my text to be big. I'm done writing. So my font, I'm going to select another font. I want it to be big. When I mean big, I want it bolder. You can add your brand font. Suppose I'm using the Pro Edit Network. Why I prefer Pixel Lab than Canva is just because of this, the fact that it's making use of network. Can you see, network can be frustrating, but for the love of it, we love it that way. So I should make it, should I make it green? You should put your color at something that will be seen. So if I make it green, then I will be okay. Let's make it, but start to be something that is very bold, something everyone will be able to see. So my font I've loaded. Should we use that? I'm looking for something more bold. So I'm going to go with this. So I'm going to re-edit. The high should be in capital. Let the O's be in capital also. The L in capital. So probably that will, so capital letter. So I've zoomed the text. That's why it's now large. So I'm going to reduce it back again by going to size. So I want it bold though, but not to that extent. So I can increase it this way too. Then move my image. Let me break it like this. So I can adjust the alignment, spacing, and formatting. See, and join it together, make it separate. Line spacing, yeah, to make it closer. Can you see? So I'm going to, let me move this text to this part. So now I'm going to bring out the pictures of the AI tools I want to talk about. So if you have the screenshot already on your phone, you can bring it in. But if you don't have, you have to screenshot and crop and bring them in. But let's search if we can find them. Let's say CapCut and Canva logo. If we will see it. Oh, let's go to elements, sorry. So it's from elements you can search Canva logo. So elements will give you varieties of things to pick from. So use Canva Pro to get animated videos. like bills that you can actually use for your pictures. Can you see? So it gave me exactly what I want. So I'm going to pick this, or since I don't want people to know exactly what the tools are so they can watch the video, I'm going to use the second logo it brought out, which is this. So they want to know what's C from. So this is it. Then I'm going to bring in another one. The next one I want to talk about is Snapchat. Snapchat AI. Let's do just Snapchat. The logo or icon. Let's see the one it will bring up for us. So it brought this out. So let me pick this particular one. So I'm going to reduce it. You see. Then the next one I want to talk about is CapCut icon. CapCut. Let's see if it's going to get CapCut. CapCut is a video editing app. It didn't get it. Video icon. I don't think they have CapCut icon, so I'll have to download and crop the CapCut icon. So let's see another one. InShot. Let's see if it will have InShot. InShot app. Oh, it doesn't have icon. Wait, have Apple. Wow. Wow. Oof. Okay, so let's make use of screenshots instead. So I will be screenshotting. So I will be checking my phone. I think I have. This is another way to do it anyway. You screenshot, you zoom and crop. This is another way to get it done. Or to make it more clean. So I'll save this. Okay, so to make it more clean, you can as well go to your browser, then search for CapCut PNG, CapCut PNG logo. It will give you the direct one instead of cropping and cutting. That's another secret, guys. So I'm going to go to images. Can you see varieties of anyone I can pick from? So I'm going to pick, let's pick this particular one. So people will wonder, okay, what is this AI? So they want to watch that video. So download. Then let's download InShot. So this is like a full tutorial, guys. InShot app PNG logo. Come to images, it will load. It will also give you different type. Then you download, also download. All right, so the next one is YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio. So download. Then the next one is YouTube. So the next one is vidIQ. I make use of vidIQ also. vidIQ. Can you see? So I'm going to download. I want just the logo. So let's look for the one that has just the logo. Download. Then we have ChatGPT. It's ChatGPT and Snapchat. Which one should I post for these people? Okay, I think this should be a haul. This should be haul. Okay, let me put ChatGPT. ChatGPT. So I'm going to download this one because I want it to rhyme with my background. So it's downloaded already. Now I will go to my Canva. As I said, it will stay at the place I stop. So I'm coming back to my Canva. So depending on what you want to create, that's the kind of background you should look for. But make sure you blur them so that people don't focus on the background, rather they focus on you and what you're trying to display for them. So now to bring all those logo I have downloaded, I will have to come to my gallery. I clicked that plus button, then it brought us here. So I came to my gallery. So sometimes you can improvise to get beautiful backgrounds. So be creative about it, but this is another way to get it done. Can you see it came out in a transparent format? So all I have to do is just tap, 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 then add to page. And it's going to bring everything at once for me. Can you see? Exactly. Can you see? So all I have to do now is just arrange and reduce the size, arrange and reduce the sizes. So arrange and reduce the sizes, arrange and reduce the sizes, arrange and reduce the sizes. I don't want anyone hiding, so I'll be rearranging and making everything well placed. So this particular one, I want all the logos to be on one side, and I want just AI2 to be at the other side. So sometimes maybe while you are moving them and arranging it, like it's not moving, it's making it look difficult. You can just use this node and arrange so you don't just reduce the sizes too much like this. So yeah, so I'll bring this down. So guys, my background is ready, so I can change this to and give the test like some should I put spacing or what should I do? let's do let's put a format to it. It's in the middle already. Then I want to add shadow to it. Let's look at text styles. I think this is okay. Okay, let me check under my color. Alright, I think it's okay this way. So even if someone is seeing it from afar, they already know what this lady is talking about or is trying to show them. Can you see? Do you get? So let me come to node. Adjust a bit, adjust a bit, adjust a bit, adjust a bit. Yeah. So download is the next thing to do. So my image is ready. Guys, can you see? This is a simple way. You can say I forgot to download just a page. So it's going to download the whole document, which is this and the second one all together. Can you see? Two pictures. So it's downloaded the two pictures. Moreover, I wanted to download just one. Alright, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. This is a walk. I walk you through how to create a thumbnail in this 2023. Don't forget to drop a review for me. Don't forget to drop nice comments. I will be reading there. And if you have a video request, kindly drop them. I would attend to you. So let me see how it ended up coming out in my gallery. So my gallery, I don't know why every time my phone is just loading. So my gallery, I'll go to Canva. Okay, this is it. Canva. Can you see the two images got downloaded? But this is it. This is it, guys. What do you think about this? Be creative about your thumbnail. You don't necessarily have to do it like that, but I just showed you a simple way to get artistic kind of backgrounds that you can just be using. And guess what? Canva will leave your design the way you left it. So you can always make use of it repeatedly, changing it to whatever title or topic you want to talk about. And voila, you're good to go to creating your thumbnail. Is not easy. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, stay safe. Bye.